Hi, this is Joshua from Stellar Labs, and I wanted to record a quick video and review some of the edits and updates that we've made to the Stellar Labs Data Hub Google Sheet extension or add-on. So right out of the gate, if you're familiar with the Google Sheet add-on, you will know that we can use formulas, right? If you type in equals SL underscore, there are a bunch of opportunities and options for you to pull in Amazon data into Google Sheets with those formulas. That functionality is the same and has not changed at all. However, we've made a couple of updates to the sidebar, a couple that are visual but also functional. And I'm going to walk through kind of those functional updates and how this can really improve your quality of life. So accounts tabs is pretty much the same. Again, I'm just going to use our demo data. Um, but here's where it gets kind of fun. So we have really updated this version of the app. Originally, there was just a tab where you could kind of write some SQL, query the data manually. We have updated that with a connector for Chat GPT to add AI into the game here. So very quickly, additionally, if you wanted to understand what data was available or what columns were available, you really had to use the data dictionary, and almost you had to have a tab open with the data dictionary and a tab open here, made for a kind of a clunky use case. Now what we have is we've pulled the Data Hub schema right into the add-on along with Chat GPT. So let's say I want to look at some Amazon traffic data. Again, using this little drop down, this includes all of the tables that we have here at Stellar Labs. So anything that you're looking for, it's going to be here. Now I'm going to look at some Amazon traffic data, and immediately in the fields, it populates the columns that are available in that table. So I want to look at, let's say I want to look at date, parent ASIN, child ASIN, title. I want to look at sessions. Let's see, I want to look at page views. And you can tell I'm just going and clicking the things I want. Let's see, units ordered. I want ordered product sales and then total order items, right? And then all I got to do is click enter. Now again, ChatGPT 3.5 is going to take what I inputted there along with looking at our data dictionary, the schema, and it's going to go ahead and write an SQL query. And then very easily, if I select a cell over here, I can just click insert query into active cell, which is awesome. And there we go. Immediately and very quickly, I didn't need to look at the data dictionary. I just pulled it right in, right? And so very quickly, I can look at Amazon traffic data right out of the gate. This is similar with any table that we have, right? So very easy to, if you're not familiar with SQL, awesome. If you are a little bit, then you can make some tweaks here. But if you're not familiar, great. Use the AI, use the drop downs to generate that SQL query for you, which is great. Additionally, let's say I don't want to use that functionality, right? You can still just type something in here, and we can ask about our data. So let's try. I want to see orders from this month. Let's enter. All right, and let's try it out. Insert query into active cell, and there we go. Looks like it's pulling in lots of data for me, but I can see dates, ship cities, ship zip code, and totals. So it's awesome. You can play around with that. Sometimes this is a little bit finicky. but great way to pull in your data, either through asking Chat GPT or just using some dropdowns. So hopefully that helps give you an idea of kind of some updates that we've made to the Cellular Labs Data Hub extension, and catch you in the next video.